wonder if there's a train coming, because I think 1, 2, 3 passengers are waiting. 4. Here comes the 4th. 5th. Okay. Coaches replace trains between Southern Cross and Albury. Saturday, that's today. Right. Well, Southern Cross is what they call the Spencer Street station now in Melbourne. And that's it there. Southern Cross to Seymour. Oh, there's one that goes up to Shepparton. This is ours. Goes through, it goes to Wang. We get a bus from Wangaratta to Bright, but we've come from Bright to Albury today, and I thought, I could connect to the Sunlander in Roma Street. Oh, look at that! It's a very old station. Wow. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. Look, the old-fashioned drinking fountains. Do they work? Oh, it works too. No, that is a really unique. I've never seen anything like it. It just goes on and on